Now, tea factories in the western region have been forced to reduce their tea prices to attract buyers at the Mombasa auction. Tea from the west of the Rift Valley have been struggling to attract buyers at the Mombasa auction after the government set the minimum buying price at $2.46 per kilo.
In July 2021, the Ministry of Agriculture introduced a minimum price for Kenyan tea at the auction in a move that was aimed at protecting farmers from fluctuating tea prices. However, the move has seen a pile-up of tea from the west of the Rift Valley at warehouses after facing challenges to attract buyers at the auction due to the pricing. According to the directive by the Ministry of Agriculture, minimum price for a kilo of Kenyan tea is at $2.46 per kilo at the auction, a figure that traders have disputed, instead calling for a free market to dictate prices. To attract buyers, Kapsara Tea Factory is the latest factory yet to review its prices downwards, directing to $2.30 per kilo. The KTDA-affiliated factory board says it is concerned with the rising quantity of its unsold tea at the Mombasa auction warehouses, which has been piling since July 2021. The development comes days after half of the tea offered at the auction by Kenya Tea Development Agency affiliated factories in the western region were withdrawn from the trading floor after failing to attract buyers. Benson Drioba for Prime Edition.